This is another one of those questions that's very difficult for me to do, so I can't claim that this video is going to be particularly good, but I'm going to talk through the general ideas of bearings. So it wants to measure the bearing of L from Y. Now, amazing how many people get this wrong way around. It says from Y. You're standing at Y and looking towards L. From Y. So bearings, three things. They're always clockwise, they're always from the north, and they always have three figures. So going clockwise there. Poor arrow. That's the angle I need to measure now. We made it 49 degrees. But, oops. Writing 49 wouldn't have got you the mark. You had to put it into three-figure bearings. 0, 4, 9. Plus or minus 1 degree. That's how accurate you need to be. Right, secondly, tanker T says 80 kilometres on a bearing 320. So the first thing you want to do really was draw the 320 on. So it was something like that. That's a pretty poor representation. Actually, I think it's probably too close to L. And then measure how far away it is at the closest. Now, it was almost on this line, but not exactly on this line. But it was almost on this line here. So roughly that sort of length there. And you should have got, when you did that, 1.2 centimetres. Again, allowing so 1.2 centimetres. Allow plus or minus 1 millimetre, so you could have 1.3 or 1.1 as well. But that's not the answer, obviously, once it's in kilometres. So, what's my scale? Oh, luckily it says right here, 1 centimetre is 10 kilometres, so I just need to multiply this by 10, which gets me 12 kilometres.